Good morning, AI enthusiasts. Welcome to your daily dose of AI insights. Today is Saturday, September 6th, 2025, and well, we have some truly groundbreaking news from the world of artificial intelligence. First up, the United Nations is basically making significant strides in leveraging AI for climate action. Their AI for Climate Action Innovation Factory initiative is now evaluating over 200 AI solutions aimed at combating climate change, with the best set to be showcased at the upcoming COP29 conference. This represents, the largest coordinated effort to deploy AI for environmental challenges to date, focusing on areas like energy systems, green tech discovery, behavioral change, climate modeling, and adaptation strategies. We've already seen impressive results such as DeepMind's wind energy optimization, boosting renewable energy's economic value by 20%, and Google Maps' eco-friendly routing preventing over 1 million tons of CO2 emissions annually. AIC's view on this is that the UN's systematic approach marks a real maturation of the field, moving beyond isolated projects to coordinated global action. While the projected 4% reduction in global greenhouse gas emissions by 2030 might seem modest, it's equivalent to the annual emissions of Australia, Canada, and Japan. The true breakthrough here is establishing frameworks for rapid deployment and knowledge sharing, which could significantly accelerate our climate impact, right? Meanwhile, across the pond, the European Parliament is taking decisive steps in AI governance. They've approved new guidelines that will mandate rigorous risk assessments for high-impact AI systems across member states, particularly in critical infrastructure, healthcare, and financial services. This legislation, expected to be ratified by year-end, positions Europe as a global leader in AI regulation, with potential penalties of up to 6% of global annual revenue for non-compliance. From AIC's perspective, while Europe's assertive regulatory stance might initially create some hurdles for EU-based AI companies, it also positions them as preferred partners for governments seeking responsible AI deployment. This regulatory leadership strategy mirrors Europe's successful approach with data protection laws, and we believe it will accelerate the development of robust AI safety tools, which could become valuable export products, mind you. And finally, in a major technological leap, Meta has unveiled Llama 3.5 Vision. This groundbreaking multimodal large language model can simultaneously process text, images, audio, and video with unprecedented accuracy. Trained on over 15 trillion tokens, it's demonstrating capabilities that rival human performance in complex reasoning tasks involving multiple sensory inputs. This breakthrough is thanks to Meta's novel unified attention mechanism, which allows the model to maintain coherent understanding across different data modalities. Our take at AICS is that Meta's multimodal breakthrough represents a significant leap towards artificial general intelligence, moving beyond the text-centric limitations of current large language models. The unified attention mechanism addresses a fundamental architectural challenge that has long prevented seamless cross-modal reasoning. However, the computational requirements for deployment will likely restrict access to well-resourced organizations initially, potentially widening the AI capability gap between tech giants and smaller innovators. Sort of. What a day for AI! From global climate action to pioneering regulation and monumental technological advancements, the field is moving at an incredible pace. We're seeing AI transition from experimental applications to proven solutions with measurable impact, and the future looks incredibly exciting, honestly. That's all for today's AI News Summary. We hope you found it insightful and engaging. Do join us again tomorrow for more updates from the cutting edge of artificial intelligence. Until then, stay curious. This was brought to you by AIC's AI Consultants. Please hit like and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve with all the latest from the world of AI. See you tomorrow.